Hey everybody, how are you? This is just a quick 5-minute DIY for the backyard. It's a nice day out today as of right now, but I think we have a rainstorm coming through. So I try to run outside and do something real quick. And today I decided to cover that table. The top of that table has a plexiglass cover that's kind of like faded and dull, and it doesn't look very pretty. So I grab a tablecloth from, I don't know, Dollar Tree or Walmart or whatever, and I decide to take some twine and tie it around it so that it looks like a skirt. And then I'm getting rid of those cushions because they're so faded. Look, they were red at one time, but now the top of them is like almost like a gray. And I'm gonna run back to the Dollar Tree and see if I can get something that matches. And it's just my quick 5-minute DIY just to spruce up the backyard. I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a shout out, a thumbs up. And if you have any backyard tricks and trades, please tell me about them. I'd love to hear it. All right, everybody, have a great day, and I will see you later. Bye.